Easiest way to multiply any number. Method 1. Multiply two-digit numbers, having same tens digit and ones digit sum is 10. For example, 43 multiplied by 47. Here tens digits are 4. And ones digits is 3 plus 7 equals 10. Step 1. Multiply the first digit by the first digit plus 1. The first digit is 4. So 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Step 2. Multiply the rightmost digits. So, 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. Step 3. Place the result from step 2 next to the result from step 1. So 20 and 21 will become 2021, which is the desired answer. Here is another example of this method. Follow those same steps and you will get the correct answer. You just need practice of some questions and then you will get champion of this method. Method 2. Multiply two-digit numbers having same ones digit and tens digit sum is 10. For example, 76 multiplied by 36. Step 1. Multiply the leftmost digits. So, 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. Step 2 is, add the ones digit of first number to the result from step 1. So 21 plus 6 will become 27. Step 3 is, multiply the rightmost digits. So 6 multiplied by 6 will become 36. Step 4 is, place the result from step 3 next to the result from step 2. So 27 and 36 will become 2, 7, 3, 6. Here is another example of this method. Follow these similar steps and you will get the desired answer. Method 3. Now let's see multiplication of numbers between 11 and 19. For example, 14 multiplied by 18. Step 1 is, add the larger number to the rightmost digit to the other number. So 18 plus 4 is 22. Step 2 is, put a 0 at the end of the result from step 1. So it will become 2, 2, 0. Step 3 is, multiply the rightmost digits of both original numbers. So, 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. Step 4 is, add step 2 and step 3. So 220 plus 32 will become 252. Here is another example of this method. You can practice some questions and you can then easily solve these in mind. Method 4. Now let's see how to multiply any number by 3. For example, 34 multiplied by 3. Step 1 is, multiply the number by 2. So 34 multiplied by 2 is 68. Step 3 is, add original number to the step 1. So 68 plus 34 will become 102. Here is another example of this method. Follow these same steps and you will get answer in just some seconds. Method 5. Now let's see how to multiply any number by 4. For example, 57 multiplied by 4. Step 1 is, multiply the number by 2. 57 multiplied by 2 is 114. Step 2 is, multiply the result from step 1 by 2. So, 114 multiplied by 2 will become 228. Here is another example of this method. Method 6. Now let's see the method to multiply any number by 5. For example, 1220 multiplied by 5. Step 1. Divide the number by 2. So 1220 divided by 2 is 610. Step 2. Put a 0 at the end of the result from step 1. So, 610 and 0 will become 6100. Now let's see another example of this method. Follow these same steps to get the answer. Method 7. Multiplication by 6. For example, 17 multiplied by 6. Step 1 is, divide the number by 2. So, 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. Step 2 is, multiply the result of step 1 by 10. So 8.5 multiplied by 10 is 85. Step 3 is, add the original number to the result of step 3, so 85 plus 17 will become 102. Here is another example of this method. Follow same steps and you will get answer in some seconds. Method 8. Multiply by 8. For example, 18 multiplied by 8. Step 1 is, put a 0 next to the number. So it will become 180. Step 2 is, multiply the number by 2. So 18 multiplied by 2 is 36. Last step is, subtract step 2 from step 1. So 180 minus 36 will become 144. Here is another example of this method. For tough multiplication, try to break down the numbers. For example, 16 multiplied by 125. 16 multiplied by 125, which is same as 8 multiplied by 250, which is same as 4 multiplied by 500, which is equals to 2000. So this is how you can break down these numbers into small parts. If you like this video, subscribe this channel for more related videos. Thanks for watching.